Another day, another dollar.
Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar is right.
Whether that dollar is lost or won, I don't know. But it's going to be a dollar. There's going to be a dollar.
There's going to be a dollar somewhere.
There's going to be a dollar somewhere.
Somewhere we will find the dollar, my friend. That is very true. Somewhere. Okay. Oh, we're live. We're cruising. We're open right at volume point of control here. It's very interesting.
I'm long, guys.
I expected this pop right here. What a good spot to open, actually. Very interesting.
What are you going to do about it?
Nothing right now. Actually, on my Lucid accounts, maybe I'll do something. But
you said you're on your Lucid accounts?
On the side, maybe, yeah. But the live account, I'm doing nothing. I'm just gonna wait. Just sit here and look pretty. And that's it.
It's easy.
Yeah, easy enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
Easy enough.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Man, I do like this location, though. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might try this off the open if we can reclaim this level right here. Specifically.
So we can see you.
Hold on. Let me look for this. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 of the seconds.
I'll give you 30.
Did we just sweep? Oh, aggressive push. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, I'm in. Stop at the low. See if she plays out here.
I'm long today, so I don't blame you for doing what you're doing.
Okay. Well, I just liked this level. I have a near-term volume point of control right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm willing to try this off the open.
Mm-hmm.
Check this out. Okay. Let's see what she does. I do like it a lot. I kind of want to add. I'm going to add.
Order filled.
I know it's kind of aggressive off the open, but I really like this near-term volume point of control. And I would basically just look to target up into 67s. Ultimately, actually, VWAP 84s. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can hold the VWAP. Because it's 2 minute now. Looks decent. If we don't lose it. Let's see. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Turn volume point of control. It's a very decent spot. We got a reaction going. Only thing I don't like is how close it is to the open, but this 2 minute bar was really. We should get some follow through here. Come on. Do something. Do something nice for us. Sing for us.
There she go. There she is.
Sing for us. Yeah, I'd love 84s, honestly. Just straight up into it.
Mm-hmm.
Right up into VWAP area around here.
Mm-hmm.
84s. Actually, perfect spot to get a little retest.
Happy Wednesday, everybody.
Happy Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And you got some structure there to work with too.
Do you know that girl on Instagram, like that dresses up like Wednesday? She be breakdancing and stuff.
No, I don't. I do not.
Really?
I do not. No.
It's hilarious.
That I do not know. Man, this ain't falling through too fast. I wanted this to go faster. So I dislike how little follow through this is getting. There we go. Do something. Do something. Dude, this is not following through. I wanted this to go faster.
Not bad. It's not
Yeah, I
bad
mean,
size.
it's holding the level. The level's literally 542s. So if you look at it like that, it is holding the level.
Morning. Good morning. Yeah, Luke, I think it's going to be a range day too. I wouldn't be surprised if we do break out a little bit. The 1 hour chart on SPY looked kind of promising, but yeah, I understand. I agree with you. So after earnings, yeah. When's earnings? When is earnings?
NVIDIA earnings are today.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there we go. Nice little pop here.
Yeah, this looks looking a lot bit more decent here. Let's see. Let's see your follow through.
Hey, bro, this guy is always on your ass, bro.
What?
What makes you trade 5 minutes into the open? It probably is a genuine question.
Yeah, well, I mean, I normally don't, but I had a level here from yesterday. We had okay, so let me go over it. So yesterday we had all this consolidation on 30-minute right here around 550s, and near-term volume point of control shifted from 550s to 542s. So then we swept this liquidity here at the open, pushed down, and then we had some sort of signal bar here. So all this resistance yesterday should turn into support. That's like the whole idea behind this. And so I want to see this potentially hold at the open here, and that's what I'm attempting. It is pretty aggressive and doesn't look like it wants to follow through the second, unfortunately, but that's why I wanted to try it. So I'm willing to give it one attempt right now. If it doesn't work, it sucks, but system-wise, I'm like, okay, we overshot volume point of control. That used to be resistance. Now it turns into support. Look to try the long. That's pretty much it. And I'm not asking for a lot. I'm literally asking for VWAP. But man, this shit's fucking heavy, bro. Everything else is pushing though, decent, kind of for the most part.
Yeah.
We'll see. Got to let it try to play out here. 81s.
I think you're looking good.
This 2-minute bar, this engulfs here. This looks great. I'm going to add to this. Fuck. Problem is, I don't know how much farther we're going to get past VWAP. VWAP now just moved 81s.
What does that mean when it moves?
It just because price is descending down. So VWAP itself is
Okay.
coming down. That's why. I would like to get the sweep of liquidity here, though, more than anything. 84s. Let's see if we can get this. See if we can get her.
Drew said RTY says, hold my beer. Watch this.
Yeah, I know, dude. Literally, I saw
Watch
that.
this.
I know. Fucking things just a madhouse, bro.
Nice little reclaim of that wick.
Yeah, it's trying. I need to get above it, though. It's still pretty heavy. Sellers are still trying. But I don't know. I like this 2-minute reaction off the open. This really aggressive initial fail attempt to go lower. Retesting VPOC now. It's all a good sign. Everything else is pushing. It's pretty crazy this isn't pushing with it. Is NVIDIA selling or something else selling? I do dislike trades like this off the open. They just get me too riled up. See, dude, look how fucking heavy this is, man. Keep the stop at the low. See what they do. See what they do.
I think they'll buy it up here and then go higher. It depends.
Mm-hmm.
This is really the point though.
I know it's tough, dude. It's really heavy. It's still really, really heavy. I just gotta let the stop be where it is and let it trade. But it's super fucking heavy. You can just tell.
Jordan, I support this 100%. So I'm on the sidelines today after a few green days in a row. I support that message. I always tell people like
Mm-hmm.
they should treat consecutive green days like consecutive red days. Like
Mm-hmm.
take a break. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Let your
Yep.
let your ego and confidence simmer down a little bit, get a little leveled, and jump back in slow.
Yep.
You know, capital preservation. Look at that. Nice.
Nice push. That's exactly what I wanted to see. I need to see it push
Yeah.
through.
You should be good now because that was their opportunity.
I know it's only $600, so it's a problem. It doesn't feel like that much after fucking 2 days of getting my ass handed to me.
You gotta ease your way in.
I know. Well, look, I'll look to maybe take one more way later in the session, but if this hits right now, fuck, maybe it doesn't even follow through. So far, we just closed below VWAP on New York. See, it's fucking heavy, bro. It's so heavy. Why is this so heavy?
Thanks for the confirmation, bro. To be honest, I just started this. That's a good trait to have, bro. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Treat your winners like your losers,
Mm-hmm.
and your losers like your winners.
Mm-hmm. 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 Wow. Why am Inspire pushing, dude? There must be
Yeah,
like
no.
Nvidia. Is Nvidia selling off or some shit? Let me see.
Normally,
Nvidia.
when there's like a divergence like this, when SPY is pushing and NQ is not, the moment SPY have a little sneeze, NQ is gonna have fucking cancer.
I know. Let's not say that
Oh, sorry.
yet.
My bad.
Everything is pushing so hard. Wow, what a divergence, dude. Just trust the level, I guess. Let it trade.
Yeah.
They're fighting hardcore though. Battle Royale, my friends. Do we trust the level?
That's all we can do.
We can do. Damn, they're really fucking batting this shit down, dude. Pin it back up. Well, 530. Wow. Okay.
Order
That
filled.
sucks. That fucking sucks. Everything else pushing it into the sun. Watch. I bet you that's the washout, and now it's gonna fucking hold, dude. I guarantee you. I bet you. Horse shit.
I think that's the sweep and then back higher.
Yep. Yep. I bet you that's the actual sweep.
Hmm. Meta laying off people.
Mm.
Nice divergence in our direction, squeeze, and we like that. Lowest opening range I remember in a while. Yeah, this is a pretty bad opening range.
Yeah, it's really heavy, bro.
Yeah, it's only for about a 40
Why
point
is it
opening range here.
so heavy? Wonder why this is so heavy.
I'm looking at a high time frame.
Let's see. Um, Not I can do now, but wait, bro. Fuck.
There's nothing going on right now from what I'm seeing. Just a divergence between SPY and NQ at the moment.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that was my setup, so I tried it. And it worked at first. That's why you saw. It's like sometimes the setups just don't work. Like honestly, I'm annoyed it didn't work, but like that wasn't bad. Wasn't necessarily bad. Crazy divergence though, for sure, dude. YM's pushing hard. RTY literally said, "Hold my beer," like Drew said.
Hold my beer.
Hold my beer. Let's see. Well, we're just chilling. Just gonna wait. What the fuck? Mongo database is up 32%.
You know, I used to work with them.
Yeah, I
Well,
used to when I worked in
work with that
tech.
software.
It was like a big company in tech.
Yeah.
They have crazy earning gaps, dude. It's nuts.
Really?
Yeah, dude. They sometimes they get like this fucking earnings gap is crazy.
Hmm.
From
How big is the
215
gap?
from 215 to 282.
Damn. Damn. Oh, that's a lot.
32%, bro. It's
Whoa.
fucking crazy.
Whoa. That's crazy. I told you, soon as Spy sneeze a little bit, NQ gonna catch cancer.
Fit trader, when you see a clear resistance up top and clean short off of it, you really try to catch it like that. Not talking shit, just curious. I just trade levels, bro. I mean, I don't know where the level is going to bounce exactly. I just attempt them. So it's like for me, like, yeah, I see this, but like it easily could have sold back into this previous resistance here, which I was looking for around this zone. I looked for the sweep of liquidity here. And look what happened, right? It attempted, it tried. Buyers did try. So, like, it wasn't a bad attempt in that sense. It just happened to fail. But if this candle would have followed through, you know, it's the setup would have been there and it would have worked. So that's why I did that. But now I'm just sitting and chilling and waiting. Dude, RTY is crazy, bro.
Hmm.
Into the 500 here. I like the 500 zone too. Wonder if we're going to sweep yesterday's low, though. Oh, no, yesterday's low was way down here. No, wait. Was it? Yeah, it was way down here. Wonder if we sweep this low.
Okay.
Into the 500.
See what happens here.
Into the 500.
500.
Not bad off 500 here. Not bad off 500 here. Oh, 2 minute looks good. I like this 2 minute. I'm just afraid of anything now, honestly, after that attempt.
Like, put a little bit more confirmation. What would be a no-brainer for you? How about that? That's the question. What would be an absolute no-brainer?
That's a good one. Reclaim a 542 that holds above it, but my risk is like so big for that. That's what I don't like to think about.
I mean, just one or two cons.
This 5 minute bar is forming really nice here on the 500. Really nice ham ski here off the 500. 500 overshoot down to 494. God, RTY is just a fucking monster. Look at this. Fuck. Just continuing the breakout. Damn, MNQ, this looks like it wants to fucking take this whole tail. Maybe it does. Yeah, look at this aggression, dude. Look at this aggression, bro.
Mhm.
What is this line? Oh, it's a fucking
Really want to take this short if we go past low a day on NQ, but I'm gonna wait for my entry model. But I think that's a good. I think that's a high probability short. We go past low a day right now, which we're about to take
Yeah.
that short. Stops at 543. I think yeah, like this is a good trade right here, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait.
Not against it. Not against it. We don't have any news, huh? 10 a.m. news.
No. Nope. We get some yellow folder bullshit at 10:30.
Yeah, I think I have to wait for like a 5-minute bar signal today or something, dude.
Right.
These are the type of days I get. These are the type of days exactly I get fucking destroyed on trying too many times. I just don't want to do it today, man. I don't want to do it today.
It's very good that you called that out.
Mm-hmm.
You know these conditions in which things get a little bit sticky. Things get a little sticky.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is such a good question, Kay. Tanner, don't you think your rule of taking trades at certain levels sometimes contradicts your rule of trading the open? Do you think you should prioritize your rule about the open? Yeah, honestly, I mean, majority of the time, the open thing is you're right, 100%. I think it's like when I really have my problem is when I'm like so focused on a zone or an area, I'm like, oh fuck, this is such a good potential spot for a reaction I want to attempt. That's when I'm willing to try it at the open. And that's why I did try it at the open today, because I really did like that spot and that attempt. And again, like I know that trade failed, but like it started to work in the moment because like there was buyers there. It just like they weren't strong enough to sustain us and follow us through. So I don't think it was a bad trade necessarily. It just happened to not work. But yeah, trading the open makes it a bit tougher. But yeah, it's definitely one of those things where it's not black and white for me, but majority of the time I don't trade the open because of that reason of getting run over. So now in a scenario like this, I'm like, all right, what can I practice now? I'm like, what I can practice is just simply waiting a lot. And just seeing. So buyers weren't as strong as you at the open. It's true. Very true.
See what he did there.
I like that. I like you, Jan. Respect.
I really like that break a low a day for a potential short. I gotta wait for my entry model because you just never know. With these conditions, you just literally never know.
I know it's pretty something. Pretty something. Hold to 500 would make sense for the long attempt, but
Yeah.
This little 2-minute overshoot here too. I don't know. Again, this is the type of condition I get run over on stuff like this. Yeah, like I almost need like a big 5-minute hammer or something to really, really be like, okay, I can place risk against this. Clarity price comes with time. Ooh,
this might be a nice long right here.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
We break above 520, 524. Yeah, that's a nice long. This is a nice long. I want to take it.
Okay, go for it. Send it.
No, I'm not. I'm not going to take it. But
I thought you said I'm gonna take it.
No, I want to take it. But I only got one chance.
Only got one chance.
Mm-hmm. This is a nice long. That's a nice looking long right there.
Apple's pushing pretty nice. That's why I think it's part of it.
Oh yeah, this is a nice long right here. One trade per day. I know. I know. I know it. I know it.
Wow.
I know. I know.
Wow.
I know. I know. I know. Trust. I got that eye. I got the eye. I am a tiger.
Tiger. 5-minute bullish engulfing on SPY. If I win, I'll go vibe in the pool. The game of probabilities. I like it. He's long.
Which is a beautiful long. That's a beautiful long. I wanted to take it. I genuinely wanted to take it.
Here's the 542. Confluence of VWAP right here, too.
I took that hoe, as you should, bro. I took that hoe.
Take that home.
As you should. That was a decent long. I don't know too much about the follow through, but I know that was a good start.
Big rejection off the level and VWAP right here. New York VWAP in the 542. My original level I wanted long.
Okay, it's reclaiming this wick.
It was 2-minute ugly hamskis here, though. Look at this shit, dude. Oh, I kind of like that for the long. Like that little reaction.
Nice little retest.
I'm gonna try it.
Reclaim the wick.
I think I want to try it. I think I want to try it. No, I'm not. I'm gonna wait longer. I hate taking losses off the open like that. It sucks. Wow. Fuck, I am gonna try it. I'm gonna fuck, dude. Do I give a fuck? I do kind of give a fuck. Oh man, the Wednesday, dude. I've just gotten beat up this week, so I'm just kind of
hesitant.
I'm just kind of hesitant, dude.
Yeah. Nikki, good morning, my guy.
The king.
Mr. Pips. Lawrence, the investor, love the discipline, man. Waiting for the right setup for your one trade today. Yeah, I only got one shot, bro. I got to make the most of it. I think the biggest thing for me is like I have to take a trade where like I'm okay with losing. Like I just got to be like, okay, this makes the most sense. Like if I lose, this was a hell of a good try. If I can say that, I'll take it all day.
This is reacting well. We got VWAP right here, that confluence. I just like how this 2-minute bar is trying to get engulfed. Like, oh, that's actually a good sign for, especially since we get undercutted a little bit and then kind of came back up. It's a decent sign for the buyers, dude.
Engulfing.
I had like a 50-point stop on this, though. It's too big. Came to that YM pulling back to VWAP lines up with priority high area. Ooh, I can't trade YM though on my live account. They have to set up the data for it because it's like a whole different data feed for some reason. But that is decent. I do like that. We pulled back the DIA VWAP pretty well. I do like that. Not against it. Dude, Mongo database up 34%. Crazy. Crazy. I wonder what NVIDIA is going to do today because it's going to carry the whole market with it after hours.
This is not a bad long. I need a little bit more. I'm gonna wait a little bit more, but I need to wait a little bit more.
Mm-hmm. It's trying.
Like I would normally take the long, like that's the thing. Like it looks good on the 1 minute chart for the long. Like it looks beautiful for the 1 minute on the 1 minute chart. But that 2 minute chart, I kind of want to
Yeah,
wait for it to
see,
kind of like, you know
here's
what
the
I'm saying?
this 5 minute right here. See if we engulf this whole wick, dude. I'd
Mhm.
be shitting my pants if I was long.
I
I
gotta see this
hate
2 minute
those.
chart.
I literally hate these 5 minute if they engulf the whole wick. But if they don't, they can go. This looks fucking real nice for sure.
It
It's
looks
a
good.
tough spot, dude. It's just a tricky spot. I got too much confluence for the short here. It's hard for me to take the long. But sometimes those are good ones because they fight through it and then just fucking ripstick it. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait.
Hmm.
Man, YM did have a nice ass move. RTY did. I wonder if we could get like, let's see. Look at some higher. See, look at this 30-minute bar, dude. This is fucking terrible. 15-minute. Nice 15-minute hammer. Not too bad. It's pretty decent, actually. I got way too many fucking lines here. Let me get rid of. Oh, is this a retest of this one?
Summoning the spirit of Tory.
Yeah, I'm getting Tori out of here, dude. Tori's retiring. Didn't sweep this liquidity. Got real close to it. Injecting VWAP here, as it should. I wonder if this sweeps this little low of this wick into 513s and then reclaims. Oscar.
What do you say? Hold on.
He's like, I'd smash though.
You talking about Tory?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Tory's not bad. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
She's not horrible.
she's
I mean,
good.
I wouldn't.
She's
Yeah,
good.
I wouldn't like. Yeah, like I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to say hi. Like if she was like walking, like if she was like walking down the street, I definitely wouldn't stop her in passing to say hi.
I probably just talked about her social media more than anything. I'd be like, how'd you get to 500,000 followers?
Yeah.
Decent digestion here. Just gotta
I
wait.
want to take this long. Jesus, I want to take it.
Take it. There you go. There's the break. Back through 542.
It's just I'm not.
I know. I'm not convinced either, dude. I totally understand.
Like, oh,
I totally get it. I totally get it. I got trust issues today. I got trust issues the past 3 days.
trust issues. Yeah. It's
How
just
many?
like I see the 1 minute time frame saying, "Hey, this is a okay quality, not great, but it's okay quality. You can take it." But then the 2 minute time frame is like, "We're not finished here."
I know. Well, and so that little scenario right here, this overshoot. See, yeah, see it. This is just tricky spot, bro. My favorite setups are like test of the level and then a straight push away from it. This is telling me short, but this action of how it's kind of holding the bottom of these is telling me they might fight through it.
Whenever we're in that 50-50 scenario when there's an ultimatum, we gotta wait.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
I think I'm going to have to wait at least another 6 to 8 minutes looking at this 2-minute time frame. FFX, easy being a decent, attractive woman in a market where a lot of dogs are. Damn, I'm a dog, bro. And then on top of that, claiming crazy money, profitability with trend lines, but mostly the women part, I guess. I will say this though. Like women support each other much more than, or get much more support or attraction than men do in the trading space. Like if you look at like a lot of women that are trading influencers, they have like a shit ton of support, bro.
Well, I'll say this though. It's also because percentage wise, it is such a small amount of women in the space.
Yeah.
If you're a woman at all and you make an Instagram and start posting videos, it doesn't even matter if your content's dog shit, you'll go viral. If you're remotely attractive, right? Like if you're
Yeah.
pretty beat, you might have a little bit more trouble doing it. But like if you're remotely attracted, it is so much easier to grow. And it's like, that's not even being sexist. That's just the fucking truth, dude. Like it's just literally how it is. It's just like, it's the same reason why fucking when we go to clubs, all the girls get on guest lists and go to tables and shit for free, but men have to fucking pay for it.
$50.
It's just the way the world works.
Admission.
It's just the way the world works. And the whole fucking, it's so funny, dude. Like I went to UC Santa Barbara, fucking super liberal school. I studied sociology, bro. I fucking studied some crazy shit. And like, I was open-minded to those concepts and stuff. But as I grow older and older, the more I'm like, so just a huge advocate of traditional relationships. And where I'm like, dude, the man fucking works. The woman fucking cooks and cleans and she nurtures, not just cooks and cleans. She nurtures. She wants to take care of the house. She wants to be the heart of the household. She wants to take care of the kids. I'm like, that is like what I fuck with more than anything. Yeah, if she's ambitious too and she wants to do her own thing, God bless her heart. It's a bonus. It's a fucking bonus. But like the whole like equality, like like full equality for this, like no.
I mean, no,
sorry.
if we're here, let's get into it then. I think the equality thing only accounts for C-suite jobs. That's it.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's only C-suite jobs. They're not going to say accountability for plumbing. There's not going to be accountability. Equal. It's not going to be equal for plumbing. It's not going to be equal for mechanics. It's going to be C-suite.
Yep, you're right. Yeah,
a cozy office.
That's it. Yep, exactly. So yeah, Kevin right here. Bro. I can't wait till I can cover all of our bills. See, that's such a good like as men, we should want that, dude. Like you should want to be able to fucking provide for your family, your wife, and be able to cover the bills and stuff. Like I was talking to my mom yesterday because I was talking about I'm going to the river in 3 weeks with some friends, taking my girl and stuff, and we're doing a river trip, going to Havasu. And I don't know if you've ever been to the river or done any of that type of shit, but like going to booking a whole on river trip when you don't own a boat, a jet ski, or a fucking house, it's really expensive. So we're like, we're putting it all together, and it's like, it's probably going to cost about $10,000, but it's like a group of like 8 to 10 of us. So, all said and done, it's actually like, it's like, it's not terrible, but like, she's asking, she's like, oh, like, does Brooke like pitch on the trips and stuff like that? I'm like, yeah, like, but honestly, I just step up and pay for majority of her stuff, like whatever I can, like, because I want to, honestly, because I'm finally in a financial spot where I can as well. So like for me, it's not even like a question or something I trip on. I'm just like, oh, I'm grateful I can do that now. So
I respect that.
Yeah, which is a good Brooke seems like a cool chick. Brooke is very, very, very chill. She checks all my boxes, and she's the first woman I've dated where she's like, she likes traditional relationships like that. She's always big on like, I don't even live with her, but she'll come over and be like, let me do your dishes. Let me, like, what do you need? Like, what do you need? How can I help you? And she does have the bonus too, dude. She owns 2 businesses. She's an entrepreneur. And it's actually pretty surprising. She doesn't slip as much into that like masculine energy, which is like the hardest part about, I've dated quite a few entrepreneurial women. And that's like the hardest part, dude, is they always slip into their masculine role where they're like, okay, I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to do this. And it's like, I just need you to be soft and chill. And I can
need you to be soft.
Like, I just need to be soft and chill. That's it. and just support me when I'm losing money 3 days in a row trading the fucking markets. And that's it. That's all I need. That stacked confluence,
Lawrence,
Tanner. She's
damn, cuz.
that's funny. Sorry, go for it.
No, you can stack confluence. Yeah, that is a stack confluence. Yeah, those are stack confluences. Damn, bro. I think that might have been my trade, but I just couldn't take it.
We're pushing VWAP right now. NQ VWAP. Let's see how we react
Ah.
here.
Lawrence, does it make you skip on some great trades taking one trade a day? Not really. Like I think more times not than so. Like I think doing one trade a day has given me way more great trades that I have taken than missed out on. You know, there is like in the beginning, yes. Like when I first started, yes, because I didn't know what great quality was and I didn't know like what I was willing to
Order filled.
forego. Would you take the short?
Yeah, I like this. It's right against VWAP. I'm just trying it. Small stop.
Yeah, okay. But yeah, Edgar, like in the beginning, I did pass up on some great trades because I didn't know what I was willing to forego and what I was willing to take as far as trading opportunities. But then when I learned, you know, specifically like what down to a science, like what I'm willing to miss out on and what I'm willing to take, you know, it doesn't happen that often, honestly.
I definitely don't like how much we fought through all this, so that's why I don't have a lot of conviction in this. I'm just doing 5 contracts, $150. It's a small loss if I'm wrong. But if this does work, I want to target fucking 422, dude. Like way down there.
Just wait for the sell confirmation. I don't know
Yeah.
what that means. What does that mean?
Sell confirmation. Probably just like us losing this bar, I guess. I don't know exactly. Depends how you look at confirmation. It's different with everyone. The whole confirmation thing for me, like because I trade really tight at levels, I barely use confirmation, dude. Like I need a signal bar and a level, and I'll attempt it. That's why you guys see me like usually with the lower hit rate, but when I am right, they fucking go, and my risk is really small. My reward is gigantic. So this is right above VWAP, or this is right against VWAP here. I'm willing to try this short. See how she does. Because if we can reclaim all this and then really fucking die, might be a decent one. I really don't like how much we fought through it though. Because this 540 now could easily hold on the pullback and I would just be smoked. So lower probability, but I'm gonna try it. See right here.
Chart.
Can't imagine sellers coming in. Maybe bids get pulled, but no real buyers today. Well, because you can't imagine it, that's why I'm short. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just trading the system right up against VWAP. Take the attempt. See if she follows through. Yeah, but SPY is just pushing, dude. SPY wants to seek out liquidity, which probably is going to take this out.
Yeah, I think I missed my opportunity for today. I couldn't. That 2-minute chart, the 2-minute just didn't give me what I needed it to give me, honestly.
Yeah, this is pushing so good. Take me out $150. Now look to maybe have one more try, and that's it. And I'll just be on a 3-day losing streak. You handed me the baton.
That feels like.
You handed me the baton. Yeah, but yours were controlled losses. Mine are fucking max 1100, which sucks.
Well, here's your opportunity to change that if you get taken out right here.
I know. I'm gonna get taken out. This is done. There's no way this holds. Boom. Wipe me. Dink.
Order filled.
Dink. Little dink.
Not a dink. Used to be.
Max loss is a controlled loss, technically. Yeah. It is because I have it set, so. Man, I've just been on a fucking the opposite of a heater, dude. I'm getting smoked on. I knew right here this fucking 2-minute right here, dude. This is when I knew this long was good. Me and you both were like, "Ah, fuck." I was like, I want to take it. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna take it. And I was like, nah, I do care. Of course, hindsight, obviously. Everything's hindsight, but this was the subtle signal right here. Really big, ugly bar, attempted to go lower, reclaims it. That's telling you buyers want to fucking step in and put in some elbow grease.
Damn, bro. Damn. That was my trade right there, man. I missed it. Fuck.
Same
It's just a
standard
2-minute
game.
thing.
Had the email top step to reduce my daily loss limit. Yeah, I mean, mine technically on this account is 3,000, but I'm not fucking doing that shit. I literally look at this. After all the fuckery past 2 days, I'm not risking that, dude. This is how you protect yourself before the session, everyone. Lock your risk settings before. I can even change this if I want to. I'm not fucking with that shit. This is probably just going to go on a heater and just go straight up. Spy's about to see out liquidity from the highs.
Even on SPY, I didn't really have.
My initial long idea was good. It was just too early, bro. This fucking 500 overshoot was money. Look at this. Look at this, man. It just sucked. That was the middle of the range, dude. I don't like that.
Yeah, that was my trade. A 2-minute didn't give me what I needed. I couldn't do it.
Didn't give you what you needed. See what we get here. Probably not a lot to work with now. Kind of sucks. That's why. Oh yeah, you crushed that long. Good job, man. Good shit. Okay, I'm getting fearful. I'm up 40 points out of my 60. I just want to talk it through. All right, let's talk Derek through this. Up 40 out of your 60.
Okay. So what's the problem?
Where's your stop?
Yeah, where's your stop and where's your entry? Oh.
Up 40 out of 60.
I'm trying to figure out what the problem is.
I think he got in around 40s here. Your stop should be probably here around 25s-ish, maybe. No, dude, this thing's pushing. You'll probably easily sweep 87s. I don't know if you're targeting 600s, but priority high is around there, I think, as well. Looking good.
How about this? This is my question. Why are you fearful? 598.
Oh, you're chilling, dude. Fucking hold that shit. Don't be fearful when your stop is 498 at low a day. You just got to let it work now. The odds of this coming
His
all
stop
the way back
is at low of day?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
498 basically Lord.
I'm looking at you different, Derek. Why are you fearful?
Only 3 micros. No reason to be fearful. I'd say we did just sweep liquidity on SPY. Target 600.
If you want, you could.
Yeah, I mean,
let's see. Where's his entry? Entry is at 538. Put your stop at. Put your stop at entry if you're scared.
Dude, you're
Break
15
even.
points. You're fucking barely like you're 10 points away, 12 points away. Fucking hold it. Take your ball sack, throw it over your shoulder, hike up the mountain, and let it give you the gains.
And this is the, and you know what's crazy? Look at this. I'm gonna take you
Right.
down for a second.
Take me down.
This is the trade. This is the
There you go.
exact trade that
He
I
just
want.
got filled. He should have just gotten filled. Derek, you get all out? Oh my god, I see that. Damn, that's painful.
That was my trade for the day, bro.
Filled in W, one and done. Good shit, Derek. Nice work.
Good
There you
shit,
go.
Derek.
I'm glad we can convince you to hold it to TP.
Hold
Congratulations.
it.
Congratulations.
Damn, bro. That was my trade.
Congratulations.
I just couldn't do it, bro.
I followed the Lawrence model. Let's go, Lawrence.
Yeah, for sure. I
Stack
told you this is the look at my screen. This is the exact trade he took.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to like, yeah.
Man. Not gonna lie, guys, this kind of feels like shit fucking being on a 3-day losing streak like this and down basically $4,000 in this live account. Sucks. And now I have 0 entry because you know me, I need a sidewalk to place risk against. Where's my sidewalk here if I enter long? This could keep going for sure. Maybe it keeps going 200 more points, but where did I put my stop? Right? That's here. The low of this candle. I don't got structure to work with. That's my thing. I firmly grasp it. Oh god.
Yeah, market's testing me today.
Kevin, you blew your live in a week of my fun and futures. You're better than me. LOL. This about a year ago. Dude, I think there's this thing where when people go live, so I hear this a lot. It's like it's almost like when you first get funded for the first time and you're all nervous and stuff. Like I haven't been nervous, but like it's just almost like it's like superstition, bad luck. Like you just go into drawdown right away on the live account.
Mm-hmm.
FFX, damn, recipes this whole week. Max loss every day. Sorry, bro. I feel you, bro. Fuck. I'm teetering on it right now, basically. Not really. I got $500 more, but I don't got an entry. I don't got a setup. Yeah, see right here, Oscar too, bro. First week of live, I crashed out. Yeah, it's like I think it's just thing across the board. All of us are like, oh, you know what? A part of it is. It is the daily payout things. I've noticed it's happened to me with my Tick Trader account too. First day, crushed it, took my daily payout, and then right when that balance goes underneath your buffer, your initial starting price, you kind of get you sweat a little bit, right? You're starting to sweat. And that's kind of how I feel a little bit right now with this live account. I'm like, fuck. Sweating a little bit. But I just know this will protect me for enough hits where I can get out of like my little funk. And go from there. Testing prior day high right now. Rejecting prior day high. That's this slowdown. And you got 600s. I don't got a lot here, guys. I really don't. Sideways range. As they pinned into, and they're coming back up towards. Quick, some ICT guru give me a fair value gap. Edgar, aren't the rules changed once you go live with any prop? Yeah, pretty much all props you can take daily payouts. So I think that's just like the psychology change of like, oh, okay, I can get cash flow every day. And then like you take daily payouts and whatnot. And then from there, you know, it just can go downhill.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock out. I missed my trade for the day.
Wow. God bless you, sir. Now I gotta be the fucking degen.
I missed it. I missed my trade for the day. Because the thing about it is like, if I try to take another trade, the likelihood of it working out is less likely since I missed the first one. That's one thing that I've noticed about how I trade. So I'll just come back tomorrow. Fuck it.
God bless you. God bless your soul.
I feel a way about missing this damn trade too, because I had all this marked up. I had all this marked up from the very beginning. I had a screenshot put in my trade Zella like, hey, I might miss this opportunity, but the 2-minute chart isn't giving me what I need. And I missed the opportunity. So I got to stand on business.
Stand on business. Stand on business. Yeah, if I was long still, I'd be looking for this liquidity up here at 621. So even though we're testing prior day high right now, I don't. Yesterday was a good lesson so I stayed on live for 2.5 hours in this trade that I did get back to break even at one point, but it just didn't follow through. And this is when I talk about greedy money versus easy money. And it was just I always talk about like the drop in the bucket effect for everyone listening out there. It's like it's like filling up a bucket with a bunch of quarters or pennies, right? Every time you do it, it doesn't feel like anything until the bucket starts to kind of start getting full. And you're like, oh shit, this is, it's starting to mean something. And so every time you break a rule or don't do what you're supposed to, or go against like your system, it's another drop in the bucket for like why you need to continue to do what you're supposed to do. And my bucket with trading within a certain time frame, meaning like basically 8:30, 9 o'clock, which is 11:30, 12 Eastern. After that, I really don't have shit, because I remember from my options days, the odds of us falling through are just low. But I was stubborn yesterday and I fucking held it and tried to make something happen. And the market just didn't give it to me. And guess what happened? The trade ended up failing, and it was another drop in the bucket for why I don't like to trade after that certain time. So the more you guys can like drop in the bucket. Yeah. What?
Do I see what I think I'm seeing right now?
The golden signal. What do you see?
The golden signal with the bounce off the VWAP that you did not take?
No, because let's see.
Don't play with me right now, Tanner. What happened? Why did it just move?
Because it moves, dude. Project X is all, or trading view like VWAP and Project X it's like this for all Project X. It's depending on what time frame you're on, it's fucked up. So the actual VWAP is 63s. Was MNQ, so it's subtly different.
There was literally like a 2-minute golden signal bounce.
So you look at now, right here, this,
bro. And I'm like, you didn't take that?
Yeah, this. Yeah,
that's why I was looking. I'm like,
yeah,
it's pretty bullish. It's pretty bullish.
I know.
It's a little bullish.
I know. But yeah, no, it's like once you adjust it, it's gone. This ain't bad right here. Prior day high reject attempting. I just don't got a lot of confidence in this though, dude. A lot of confidence in any of this shit right now. It's the hardest part, dude. Once you miss the edge, you're just like fucking annoying. I hate that on Project X. I also hate that on Project X. Everyone. Nothing on the chart says sell. Yeah, I know. That's why I haven't taken anything. I mean, this kind of says sell to me. Reject a prior day high right here. But it's still it's on too small time frames, dude. I just don't have two losses already. Like, what am I gonna do? Try this. Potentially it works. It's not high probability. They look like they just want to take out this wick here. Just take us up to liquidity. Just looks like bullish consolidation. 15-minute, still going higher. Oh shit. I tried to use Trading View and execute on Project X, but like today I accidentally bought a mini instead of micros and took max loss. One way you actually can prevent that if you don't trade minis ever is here in the risk settings. You can go to symbol blocks. So you go to risk settings, current symbol blocks. You can put you can block yourself out of NQ. So it's like you don't accidentally make that mistake. Highly recommend using that. Project X is sick, dude. For just for the risk settings, like if they had this on every broker, dude, Project X wouldn't be that as special, to be honest. Like it really wouldn't. But the risk settings, it's alpha, dude. It just fucking works. It's great.
Yeah, I like the aesthetic of Project X. I like how it looks just like how it's a Trade and View API. I think it's cleaner than Tradeabait, in my opinion. I think Tradeabait flickers too much. It's too casino like, too gamblish.
Yeah, I
Gamble.
don't like
the
I don't like
flickering.
trade bait. I really don't like trade bait.
Yeah.
I've just traded so much sim money on that. It just feels like a whole gamble to me every time. Man. Apple new high date. Dude, Apple's cooking up. So here's my prediction for Apple. Okay. Their event's gonna come out and they're gonna be like announcing Apple AI. And once those two letters come into the Bloomberg terminal feed, it's full steam ahead, dude. Full steam ahead. That or next time they have earnings, they say something about AI, they're announcing. Oof. Stock gaps into all-time highs. I make $50,000 on my leaps. I have a smile on my face and then go on to the next trade. But that's what I'm predicting. That is what I'm predicting. Damn, God bless Brian, dude.
What happened?
What he just sent us in the timestamps.
Oh yeah, he's amazing.
Yeah.
Nothing less than.
God bless him, bro.
Lawrence of your entry model truly hovers above a 50 win rate with a 2R when RR. That's kind of a money glitch. Yeah, nah, for real. I'll be honest with you. My stats for this month is I have a 60% win rate with a 2.1 R or 2.2 R. So I have a 60% with like a 2.1, 2.2 R, bro. That's actually insane.
It's fire,
So
bro.
yeah. Yeah, and then it's one trade per day at that. That's what make it even nastier. Like one trade per day, 2 to 2.1 R, 60% win rate. That's nasty work, bro.
Nasty work. Is this going to reject here? Am I going to fail this, lose this?
I took a screenshot. Post it.
Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Damn near 100K a year, Jordan.
We got 5 accounts, so it might be 500K a year.
Yeah, it should be more than that.
I've had my accounts for since July 24th now, so it's been a little over a month with 1 trade per day.
It's fire.
Lawrence, do you use 5-minute opening range or 15-minute, and why? Technically, so I technically use 2-minute. Like I'm on the 2-minute time frame, but also like I don't. This is what me and Tanner talked about at one point. Let me show my screen real quick, Tanner.
Go for it. Yeah, I'm just sitting here.
So as you can see, hold on real quick. Sorry, I switch my screens around. All right, as you can see, like my opening range isn't necessarily time based, it's price action based. So this was the first candle of the session right here, right? So 9:30, right? So we had a low, we pushed all the way up, had a high right here, and then we had a lot of action between this high and this low. And I normally do this on the 2-minute chart or whatever. This is the 1-minute chart. Let me go to the 2-minute chart. It's a little bit cleaner. So boom, right here. So we had this bullish candle. So once we had that bullish candle, I put my opening range at the low, and then we had some consolidation, went to the high, put my opening range right there, and yeah, that was the range. And then I wait for a breakout, retest, and then my Lawrence model, and then we take it whatever direction it tells me. So yeah, I do it on the 2-minute, but it's based on price action. So technically, if price was to go all the way up, let's say for like 15 minutes, that would be my opening range high and then my opening range low. So I guess you can call it 15 minutes. But if it happened on 5 minutes, I guess you can call that 5 minutes. But it's based on price action. So Lawrence, all credits to you because the system can have an 80% win rate, but executing for it to have 80% win rate is a skill in the yeah, that's facts. That's facts. The system can have an 80% win rate, but if you don't execute it so it can reach its full expectancy, it doesn't matter.
I'm trying this short here.
Yeah, that's not a bad short.
We'll just see. This is my last trade, dude. I want us to lose prior day high right here somehow. Volume's drying up. So basically a Hail Mary trade.
Let's look like on the 30-second chart.
Just consolidating, but we're just
that looks
volume just so dried up here. That's the thing. I'm like, if this can dry up enough,
yeah, that looks pretty bearish.
And not come take out the high here and fail back into the range.
That looks very bearish.
That's something to kind of work with. It's really low quality, but I'm just fucking over it, dude. I just wanted to take one more attempt at something.
You think this is low quality?
I don't think so. I mean, consolidation wise, this is still just consolidating higher, but like,
but it's consolidating at the highs. Like, remember the location thing you showed me? Like, this would be a horrible area to go long right here. Like, it might get one more. It might get one more push up, and then it probably fail back down after this.
Yeah,
like a little fake out type deal.
Yeah.
What's the Lawrence model? Double top, double bottom. EQs in short with you, bro, Chacho.
All right. Let's see.
Where'd you stop at?
617. Basically the high of the structure.
Yeah, just be mindful because London highs are 621.
I know. It's pretty. I'm not a huge fan of this at all. This bullshit consolidation, dude. Fail here. Fail. 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 No, no. Pin it down. Pin it down. Heavier. Heavier and faster.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm done. Probably done here. Bring it down. Bring it down. No, bring it down more. More aggressively downward. Overshoot this little range. Bring it back into it. Yep. More. 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 Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think this is going to be, that's the nice little push up for a bad location for that entry. Remember how
Yeah.
I got fucked up a
Yeah.
lot of times and then
Yeah.
it turns around and starts tanking?
That's what I'd like to see.
I fell for
What
this
I'd
okey
like
doke a
to
lot of times.
see. That's what I'd like to see here. Okay. This actually might not be too bad. We need a little bit more follow through here. Volume
No,
picking up.
this-
Volume picking up on the push down. It's not terrible.
That's what I'm saying. I think that was a pretty decent try.
Let's see if we can get back down to the range. Fall towards VWAP. Or just not. No, it's too tight, dude.
I need MicroStrategy to go to 1,000.
Slowly keel over here, dude. Slowly keel over here. Okay. Okay. Pin Mantry. I wonder if we can get a retest of VWAP. If this can break down. Or if it's going to retest 584s and just bounce off there. I hope it keeps going lower. 566.
Nice.
566 is what I would be looking for. There we go. Dude, I was so close to getting stopped there. That was crazy. Let's see if this follows through now. Or just bullshit. How's the 15-minute? It's they're still trying to just buy these lows. This can mean SMT. You see it? What is that? Isn't it like this? SMT, dude. Look at this SMT.
Yeah.
Right? Isn't that it? Isn't that it?
Yeah.
Isn't that it?
Yeah.
Quick, more ICT concepts in the chat.
I'm telling you.
Michael, 8 funded today. Okay, I'm done. Let's go. Okay. Okay. How do we block in the view up here? 66 is 67. Let's go 68.50. We'll do limit buy. We'll get out of 10 of them at 68.50. Let's see if we can get view up here. Or we can do the 584 bounce scenario. I said that would suck. Let's see. Let's see. They're trying to do something.
So here, give me a nice push lower.
I'm
not gonna lie. I think SPY was really the move to trade. Was really like the thing to trade this month. Like SPY was really the move, honestly. Not NQ. Like NQ was okay, but I think SPY was really it. This entire month. SPY has been it.
This is gonna torch me here, dude. Look at this fucking hammer forming, bro.
It might reclaim the wick.
Maybe.
This might be a nice little retest and then a leg lower.
Based on how the action's been, I don't think so. It's been really strong. It's a super counter trend. VIX is up 1%, which is kind of interesting. Let's see. Man. I do like that SPY. It's kind of weak. YM was kind of weak. I don't know, man.
Yeah.
I don't fucking know, bro. I'm just gonna let it trade.
I don't know either.
Ugh.
I'm
So
just
let's see
here
what
to I'm just here
happens.
looking for patterns and things that, you know.
I do like this little SMT bullshit. It's kind of might retrace 50% of this move into 68. It's like that's why I do like it. Not against it. It just we came down to my level 584, like I talked about, and bounced perfectly. But if we engulf this now, it could look a lot better.
If we engulf this, would you add to your position or no?
No, I don't have enough risk to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's probably gonna take me out, dude. It's too clean of action here. We'll leave the stop where it is and just let it trade, but this is all the nonsense junk area.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trusting the ICT on this SMT. Don't fail me. Don't fail me, ICT.
ICT. Can you
ICT.
please help me?
That fucking guy, dude. Oh my god. Just
I'm
sitting
praying
on
for a major. I'm praying for a major sell off right now. Just a pop straight down. ICT.
ICT, please help me.
Tanner.
No. I can't, dude. I don't have enough breathing room. I'd be really upset if I added and then it took me out on my ad
And then goes
and
down.
then
Yeah.
goes and but never took out my stop loss here. I would fucking be on so much tilt from that. I go buy a bunch of combines and full port all of them just to do it. Something. Come on.
ICT.
ICT. Don't engulf me. I dislike this action. We're just holding priority high. That's what I don't like. Yeah, I'm fucked. Yep. Looks pretty bullish, my friends. Don't think this is going to work. Look at them just holding 600 now. Can't get anything here. Yeah, this is just bullish consolidation, dude. Right at prior day high.
I think this might have been the setup I was actually looking for because the 2-minute chart that's what it was supposed to look like.
Yeah, for your long, yeah, I know. It's right
Yeah,
at prior
like
day
the
high. It
once
looks
model.
good. This is a good long setup.
Yeah. Like this was the trade of the day for me, actually. I think even if it fails, like it's still the trade of the day for me.
Yeah, what you're looking for. See, look, I was just pulling back and holding 600. Like that's just so bullish. There's bullish consolidation. Yeah, it's about to get cooked.
Yeah, this is my trade of the day right here. Damn, I'm locked out.
It's okay. It's better than being red.
Yeah, but I don't want to waste my green days because I'm red days right around the corner.
Yep, I'm done. So done. I could just tell, dude, how this pinned down, reclaimed, held. There's just no way. It's way too strong. Way too strong, bro. Unless the Stellars step in at 610, hold us at 610. That'd be my only saving grace. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. There's a 610 thesis reject. Follow through, please. To the downside. Show me a little more red. Here's a 30-second chart. A little more red. Back down below 600. Through 600. Through 600.
600.
Let's pull out a trend line here. Break this down. Break this down. There we go. Push more. Push more through 600. There we go. Right in the trend line. Break it down. Below it. Below it. Look at these guys. Right on the trend line, bro. Algos are
That's
algoing.
textbook. That's damn near textbook. Jesus.
Algos are algoing, dude.
Here we go. A little rejection. A little fight. A little fight.
Maybe. Look at these fucking guys, dude. Come on, a pullback to VLF would be so nice. It's due for it. That was a straight up move. SMT this. Rip it lower. Look at all these tails, dude. Bullish tails. The problem is if we do get VWAP, I don't even know how much more lower we're going to get. I almost had to consider just taking it all off there if we get down there.
When I tell you Apple is primed on that weekly chart,
Dude,
I don't know if you ever seen the weekly chart. Have you looked at the weekly chart?
Dude, you don't think I've been looking at every single chart every night and looking at every fucking piece of information I can? I got 12 grand in that bitch, bro.
We're at all-time highs again for SPY.
Yeah. Just about.
Which
Oh,
is
come on, dude. Don't do this to me. You're giving me a little bit of hope, and then you're just fucking
taking it away.
taking it away, dude. There you go.
That's how
Look at that.
it all starts.
Breakdown, retest of the trend line, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. That's bearish. That's a little bearish right there. Right? A little bearish action.
Right,
dude.
right,
Right.
That's bearish, right?
That's bearish, right? This is just so fucked, dude. Yep, this is done. There's no way, bro.
Oscar's still in longs. Jesus, brother. You're going for it all. Oscar, hold that shit to 640.
I don't blame you, bro.
643. Hold that shit to 643, Oscar. It's going to go there. This was my trade of the day for the long. ICT. Please help me. SMT. Please help T.
Yeah, SMT, please help T. God damn, dude, this is just so ridiculous.
Don't listen to me, Oscar, by the way. This could fail out. Don't listen to me. Don't hold to 643. Don't keep your take profit where your take profit is. I might be wrong here.
God, this thing is just teetering on like wanting to break down or go higher. Teetering, bro. Get rid of this stupid fucking line. Look at this shit, dude. This is bullish consolidation. It's super hard to think that this is going to go down. My eyes just don't even see it. Look at them just holding 600, bro. They're trying so hard to hold 600 here. Okay.
There you go.
This a little blip is nothing. We got to get below 684s or 584s.
It's a start.
It is a start. Does this SMT out? Me to push below these 90s. Higher time frames? What are you saying? You saying anything? You're saying that VWAP moved up. 71s. I feel like we should at least come to here though. 6850s. Whole lot of nothing. I'd love to see this come all the way back down to near-term volume point of control at 42s. That'd be sick. I'm just not saying a word because I'm like kind of in disbelief that this is working a little bit now. I'm just like, all right. Like, it's not my usual setup, to be honest.
We could take out. Oh,
Okay. That's what I'm saying, dude.
we could take out 580s. You're good. We could take out 580s. You're so good.
Not with fucking action like this that just happened.
Yeah, that was pretty.
Unless that's a fake out.
I don't know. That was pretty telling.
Yeah.
It was very telling. But you never know. You never know.
Come on. SMT over. Let's see. Let's see. Don't engulf this wick. Okay. How much we got left in this 5-minute bar, dude? Minute and a half. Thanks, Jay. PA is such doo-doo. Hopefully I win too. SMT and this comes down and seeks out low a day liquidity, dude. We go to 422.
I hope so. I hope so.
Unlikely as fuck. Extremely unlikely. What's the daily chart look like? Could this have been the high? Fails all the way back down for some reason. That'd be crazy. Barely poke above these two highs too. Interesting. Unlikely. No, this thing's about to take off, dude. Look at this fucking action. This thing's about to rip.
Yeah, that shit looks
That
bullish.
shit looks so bullish, dude. I'm so
Jeez.
fucking cooked right here.
That's the Lawrence model.
I'm so cooked right here, dude.
Yeah, this would have been, yeah.
It's just so bullish the way it's holding prior day high. They keep trying to break it down and it doesn't. It's just a matter of time before it goes higher. Unless sellers can actually step in and do fucking something.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Dude, look at how they just fucking buy it up below 600 every time.
Here we go. A little selling pressure.
I mean, it's definitely one of those where I just leave the stop at the high and just let it fucking trade. If I overthink this at all, it's like.
Mm-hmm.
Just making a bunch of lower highs, though.
Fine. There you go.
Every other market to push down.
There we go. How much would you make on this trade if you get
If I covered all of it there, I'd be up $300 on the day. But any green at this point is fine.
chill out.
Yeah.
Please chill. Bro said any green at this point. Jesus. Oh my god.
Is the 7-day trial still active? Doesn't seem to work. 7-day trial for the Discord. We haven't announced a 7-day trial yet. Maybe in maybe Labor Day weekend you might see something. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. Ridiculous fucking action, dude. Just fucking die. Do something. Trump, say there's a bomb in the Pentagon or something.
Oh my god. Tariffs.
I would never say that. Who's gonna cancel me for that?
Tariffs.
Tariffs.
Please. Please just say tariffs.
Yeah, I saw it on your website. 7-day trial. Where did you see that? Didn't say that anywhere. Shouldn't. Okay. This is so fucking stupid, dude. This is literally just bullish consolidation. This is not holding. It's not doing what it should do.
Did you see that 100K loss, Omar?
Yeah, I did.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just lost 22K today, but he did size down though, so that's really good.
Yeah. It's good for him for putting a loss out there like that. I feel like he never really posts losses.
You say he took the short at 950, which I completely understand. I was short bias right there too.
Mm-hmm.
At that moment, I was short bias. So I completely understand why he would take the shorts at 950. And that was pretty, yeah. Okay.
This is just holding prior day high like so well. But again, I'm just not going to touch it. And just
Let's see what the 30-second chart look like. 30 seconds. I don't know, man. 30-second look kind of failed attempts to go higher-ish.
Well, yeah, there
Looking
is a
real.
bunch of
It looks like a bunch
lower
of
high,
failed
lower
attempts to
high,
go
lower
higher.
high. Yeah. And that's why I'm
And that's
keeping
what
the
it's
stop
looking
where
like.
it is. You know,
Yeah.
look at this 15-minute though. This is so bullish. So bullish. It's awful.
Oh my God.
Bullish consolidation.
Bunch of failed attempts to take it higher.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing that's maybe could be good is because it's a bunch of this SMT inverted hammer here, bunch of consolidation looks like it's about to go, but then it doesn't, and we just
I mean, it just looks so bullish right now. It's just
I know. I have zero faith in this play.
it says 0. Jesus.
I have little to no faith in it.
It would have to go right here if this is bullish.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna kick it for about 3 more minutes. I'm gonna head off here.
Yeah. Oh my God, today, dude. I even looked. Oh, we got our team call at top of the hour. Whole lot of nothing.
Let's see, where is everybody? Let me get a P&L check, chat. Shit. I'm about to look on Twitter and see how people are doing today.
We reject 600 now. Stay underneath it. Stay underneath it. Brian plus 766. Let's go.
Let's go,
No
Brian.
trade, sitting on hands. P&L for today, blown funded. Damn, sorry to hear that, brother.
Got to size down, brother.
I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Did I get rewarded for all this patience? Keeping the stop at the high? Find out next time on
Right. On Dragon Ball Z. Bro, buyers are not, they are not going, bro. Like, they're really not going like that. Like, it's just like they're like, bro, you got me fucked up. If that's the comment of the day. Like, that's the phrase of the day. You got me
Well, they're
fucked
not
up.
getting they're not getting rewarded. The buyers aren't getting rewarded for all their attempts, which is really interesting. And we have made consistent lower highs. It's very subtle, but we have made lower highs. But this hold of prior day high is just fucking killer, dude. Here they go, trying to attempt it.
Oh man. What up, Luna?
What up, Luna? Just another day of me getting smoked on, dude.
Chill out, Tanner. There's a lot of failure here to go higher. So
My
you know, I'm
brain
telling
can't
you,
see this going lower, but I'm just gonna let
it's a
the
lot of failed attempts. It's so many failed attempts. It should have been popped by now. There's so many failed attempts.
maybe it's distribution.
That shit should have popped at 10:53, 10:54. That's where it should have popped at, honestly. If we're being transparent here. I think. You must have heard me.
It probably did. So, okay, that's what you want. You want me to pop? I'll give you a pop.
Stay left. Hold my beer.
Hold my beer. The beer is being held.
The beer is being held right now.
They're trying. This is so bullish, dude. This just feels stupid. Damn, dude, there's some fucking big bids sitting on tape. Oh, I'm fucked. There it is. That's so weird. Right as I saw those big bids come in, I was like, damn. Hmm.
Man.
I know. I know. I fucking know.
If we're gonna do it, let's do it. If not, then let's not.
It's accumulating.
gonna
It's going to
do it,
explode one way. Yeah.
All right, Jan. See you tomorrow, bro.
I've already given up on this trade mentally. It's already a loser in my head.
Yeah. I think I'm about to hop off here. We got that call in about 30 minutes. I want to get some to eat and stuff.
Go ahead and hop off.
All right. See you tomorrow.
Later. I'll hang out for a second, guys. I just can't see this going down at all. My eyes don't see it. All I see is bullish consolidation. Yeah, maybe it's distribution. Who knows? Back through 600 here. What do they do? What do they do to the price? Oh, okay. A little something. Little something. Can I add? Move my stop to like here, 612.
Order filled.
It did. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. See what she does. I like this rejection. See if we can get follow through here. 571 is VWAP. No, they're just gonna buy this up, dude. This is crazy. This is such insane action. It's actually ridiculous. Let's see. See if we can get view up here. See if we can get view up here. Just take off the bulk. Might get it, guys. Might fucking get it here. I have a small panic every time I hear order filled, thinking it's from my computer. Oh man, they're just making this so difficult. This 5 minute looks awful though for the Bulls now. Finally, need this to close a bit lower here. 30-minute bar about to close. 15-minute bar. It's actually not too bad. Can we get VWAP at least? Ooh, SPY's turning over too. Apple's turning over. Get through 88 here. I feel like I'm trying to pick up pennies in front of the steamroller. Come on, lose it. Just every time they try. Ridiculous. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna follow through or what? This is so ridiculous. They're just gonna reclaim this now. It should have already gone. See, this is what's fucking ridiculous. It's not doing it. It's just not fucking doing it. It should have already gone. This is absolutely ridiculous. Something. Come on. Bit more momentum. Come on, sellers. Step in. Do something, bro. Fucking fall off the cliff. This has to fall through. If this engulfs here, I might just fucking get out of it. This has to follow through here. I need this to follow through. VIX up 1% still. Let's not forget that. Let's not forget that. VIX is up 1%. Come on. Fucking die. Come on. There we go. Come on, a little bit more. Give me VWAP at least, bro. Please. Oh my god, dude. Just fucking fail. Sellers, get more aggressive, dude. This is crazy. Wow. Wow. Fucking wow. That's the worst thing I could have just seen on the 2-minute. Fucking worst, dude. Okay. I'm fucked. Like if this gets back above 600, I'm literally fucked. This is so fucking stupid, dude. Worst action, just bullish consolidation. Right when it peaks below liquidity, they fucking eat it up, dude. Bullshit. Fucking bullshit. There's no I feel like I just need to exit this now. There's no way. This should have already gone and slipped. It just doesn't make sense. Like this is so fucking bullish. They were just waiting for one little liquidity grab. The only thing that keeps me in check is these lower highs. That's why, like, if we lose this, like, it's done. It's so done. Yeah, this is so fucking cooked, dude. There's no way. This is so bullish. Okay. I'm just annoyed from having to sit in this for so long. I'm fucking so annoyed at that. I'm so annoyed it just didn't take me out way earlier. Like, I would have just rather had it taken me out faster instead of having to sit through all of this. That's what I'm super, super annoyed about. So annoying, dude. I've just gotten fucking wrecked this whole week, dude. I'm so fucking over this. Fucking, I'm literally in this mental rut. Fucking hate trading. God fucking damn, dude. Fuck, dude. Fuck me. Fuck this. I fucking hate this. This is the worst career ever. No one do it. Fucking, I hate it. God, dude. I'm so fucking annoyed. Thanks, Chan. I appreciate it, dude. I've just gotten fucking smoked. Literally so many days in a row, dude. Just fucking, it's just hard. I was just on such a heater and just like mentally, it just, God, dude, it's just frustrating. It is my fault though. I should have just stopped that. Oh, what the fuck just happened? What's happening? What's happening? Oh my god. Oh my god, don't double edge me here. Die. Fucking die. All of it. Fucking die. All of it. Right down into VWAP. Perfect pin, dude. What the fuck just happened? Does anyone know what happened? What is that? What is that? What just happened? That was too quick for me even to react. I literally had my head down pouting. Like what's going on? Dude, it went right into VWAP though, and I had my fucking what was that? A random liquidity grab? Sorry, my finger slipped on the sell button. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? No, don't fucking reclaim all this. This is why trading is awful. It gives me a little glimpse of hope. And they're like, heh, gotcha. Right back into the range, dude. The algos are like, no, we're staying here. Okay. This is just gonna that was just a liquidity grab, dude. Randomly. And literally, I was so close to getting filled. Look at how they're digesting this. It's just all being bought back up. They instantly just reclaim prior day high. Like what? Like what's even the point? That was like a flash crash in 2 seconds. Look at that, dude. Bullshit. Like what the fuck was that? Dude. That's what needed the whole fucking time. Some bullshit like that. I'm just about to fucking cut it, dude. Oh my God, man. Right down into VWAP, dude. Fucking 1 millisecond. Don't even have a chance to react. Hmm. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. This is so ridiculous, the amount of buying. It's insane. Dude, this is crazy. I'm so happy the market's closed on Monday. So happy the market's closed on Monday, dude. I'm done. Okay.
Order filled.
That's it. We got nothing to say. I'm just fucking. Just let me crash out for a second. Okay. Okay. Well, that's that. I'm just like speechless because it's like 3 days of losing in a row, hitting my max loss 3 days in a row. It's just frustrating, guys. It's just super frustrating. I'm just annoyed. I know I'll get over it. I'll be fine. Like big picture, I'll be fine. Even if I fucking somehow lost this live account, yeah, I'd be really bummed and I would probably feel kind of embarrassed. But like at the same time, it is what it is. And as long as I just keep protecting my risk, I'll be okay, big picture. But it's just like frustrating. Okay. So it just is what it is. 3 days losses in a row. I know. Zoom out. I appreciate it. No, I know it is a part of it. It is a part. I just try to show everyone. I still have these emotions. I still get frustrated because I want to be this like really great trader. I want to be like a really, really huge, successful trader. And it's like it took me so many years to finally just get to the point where like I've been like really consistent, like crushing it. It took me so long just to trade live in front of people like this. Like I was like so like afraid to do it for so long. So just frustrating just having to go through it. But I know it's just part of it. It's just I'm just frustrated. I'm just human. So that is what it is. I'm trying though. Thank you guys for the support. Mohit, I don't know who you are, but you're a fucking faggot. Yeah, it's part of doing it. Right on track. We're trying. We're trying. So all right, I'm done pouting. Yeah, good. Some good L's, some good laughs in there. No, it's always good to do that. All right, you know what? I'm in deadlift today. It's a deadlift day, which is good. So I'm gonna go make some breakfast, and then I'm gonna go have a couple calls, and I'm gonna go deadlift. So much love. Appreciate you guys with the support. I'll be back tomorrow. See you guys.